Hi, Dave Steiner here. It is, what day is it? 15th of December 2015. And I'm just getting ready to do this overlay here of this picture I saved from Google Moon. The area near Mare Moscovians that I did over Texas. And I just thought I'd share that. I haven't done it yet. I'm just bringing up the image right now. And I think we should do this together. So I'll bring that up. It'll only take a second. Texas. I have to flip the image first. And I think it's going to be this area. I think it's going to have to be a lot bigger than this. I'm going to have to align it to. I should align it to the other image. Okay, so that's what we'll do. We'll go like that, and it's going to be weird. Okay, so let's do this. Ooh. So this is the size we've seen it in the weather. Now on the moon, I just measured this crater, and it's like I don't know what is it, about 100 and something miles across, and on the Earth it's like I don't know, it's 2,000 or some crazy number. It's really hard to align this though, because this look at how crappy it is on Google Moon. This makes it more difficult to see that. Just get that lined up there. See, they don't give you no defined edges here. Google Moon, notice that? Yeah, they do that on purpose. This crater was 17 miles or 17 miles by 19 miles across on the moon. Okay, so there it is. That's the area. And I noticed there were some areas in this picture where they had these lines. They were hiding something. So let's see what we get here. Oh, they're definitely not showing us that little spot there. It's important. Give us a little different view. So let's go and check it out without this one behind it. And just turn the borders on maybe. For starters. And that topo map. We should do the topo map. Yes, indeed. Here it is. Yeah, they are hiding that part. I would say, like that crater right there probably goes with that spot right there. So if I brought that in a little, just line that spot up a little bit with that spot in Texas. There's almost right on right there. The rest of it's looking pretty good too. Let's just take a look, see what it gives us. Big Bend Desert. What's this peak? Mount Livermore. I don't know what that crater's name is. Probably a Russian name, but you can see that it goes together. I mean, you can see what they're leaving out of this picture. You can totally see there's something missing from that image. You know what I mean? They give you that one mountain, and here's another mountain. Looks like probably right here where that other crater right there is. You can kind of see that, and you can see what's missing there. I can see it. I mean, I can really see what's missing there. And this whole area of Texas right here is the same, has the same patterns. It might not be perfectly aligned, but it's you can see that. Let's see what's up here. There's that crater. See how this dips down right in the right spot? Look at that. That's right in the right place right there. I bet you. A little dip right there. Weather. Doesn't show very much because Google weather sucks. That's pretty good. It's pretty close. Pretty damn close. This would be Houston right there. That spot right there, I think. It would be Houston. So, but it's pretty good. That's as good as I'm going to be able to get it, I think. And you see, it's pretty close. Look at the details they leave out. I can't believe that shit. Should bring up that weather pattern now. Just to take a look. Look at that. See that curve? Watch this part. See, watch the weather now. Look at it fit right in that little pocket. You see that? That's how it happens every time. Just like that. Must be something right there, right? Yep. That gives me enough right there, just it fitting in that little pocket right there, just because that pocket's totally different looking than it is on that other image of the same area of the moon. It doesn't show this like curve like that really. I mean, it does. Of course, it does show it, but it shows it a little differently. That just fits in there better. You can see that confirms it. Totally confirms it. Totally, 100%. You can even see in this image of the moon that little whoosh, that little swoosh that comes out. Look, see this line here? See this line here? Now watch. Watch the weather fill that in. See that? Right to the line. And you see this whole, like this break in the weather there? See that? There's a crater right there underneath it. I mean, it just shows you. Just got to pay attention to those little details. Like you can see that crater in there. That's like this colored area. You see that spot right there? You can see it. It's right there. That is that crater right there. And I'm not saying it's right over it, but it's really close. And it's the same size. You see the size? And you see this right here. This spot here, that's the same thing. Right there. Okay. Just wanted to point that out. Have a good day.